Welcome back, viewers, to another exciting episode on this channel. Whether you're a longtime subscriber or a newcomer stumbling upon our content, we're thrilled to have you here. Hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest uploads. And don't forget to share our videos with your friends and family, spreading the joy of learning and discovery far and wide. Let's get started. Facebook Marketplace is an online platform operated by Facebook, where users can buy, sell, and trade various goods and services within their local communities. It serves as a virtual marketplace, allowing individuals and businesses to list items for sale, post job openings, and offer services, all accessible to users in their geographical area. Sellers can create listings with photos, descriptions, and prices, while buyers can browse through the listings, filter results based on location and category, and message sellers directly to inquire or negotiate purchases. The platform promotes a sense of community, as transactions often occur between people who live nearby, fostering trust and convenience. Moreover, Facebook Marketplace leverages the vast user base of the social media platform, making it easy for sellers to reach potential buyers quickly and efficiently. It has become a popular avenue for decluttering homes, finding unique items, and discovering local deals. However, users should exercise caution while conducting transactions and adhere to Facebook's safety guidelines to ensure a secure and enjoyable experience. There are several ways to potentially make money from Facebook Marketplace. Wide reach. Facebook Marketplace has a massive user base, with billions of active users worldwide. By utilizing the platform, you can tap into this extensive network and reach a vast audience for buying and selling goods or services. Local targeting. Facebook Marketplace allows you to target your listings to a specific geographical area. This localized approach helps connect with potential buyers or sellers in your local community, making transactions more convenient and efficient. Cost-effective. Unlike traditional advertising or selling platforms, Facebook Marketplace is free to use. It provides an opportunity to showcase your products or services without incurring upfront costs, making it a cost-effective option for individuals and small businesses. User-friendly interface. Facebook Marketplace offers a user-friendly interface that simplifies the listing and browsing process. You can easily create listings, upload photos, write descriptions, and manage your inventory. Buyers can quickly search for items, filter results, and communicate with sellers. Trusted platform. Facebook Marketplace is built on the foundation of Facebook's trusted and established platform. Users have profiles, ratings, and reviews, which help foster a sense of trust and transparency. You can leverage this trust factor to establish credibility and attract potential buyers or sellers. Convenient messaging. The integrated messaging feature within Facebook Marketplace allows seamless communication between buyers and sellers. It enables quick inquiries, negotiation, and exchange of information, making it easy to close deals and coordinate transactions. Community engagement. Facebook Marketplace fosters a sense of community by connecting individuals within local areas. It provides an opportunity to engage with neighbors, discover local businesses, and support the local economy. This community aspect can lead to building relationships and repeat business. Diverse categories. Facebook Marketplace encompasses a wide range of categories, including clothing, electronics, vehicles, home goods, services, and more. This diversity attracts a broad spectrum of users, increasing the chances of finding the right buyers or sellers for your specific niche. Overall, Facebook Marketplace offers numerous benefits, including its expansive reach, localized targeting, cost-effectiveness, user-friendly interface, trusted platform, convenient messaging, community engagement, and diverse categories. By leveraging these advantages, individuals and businesses can effectively buy, sell, or trade on the platform to their advantage. If you haven't already, we encourage you to subscribe to our channel and become part of our ever-growing community. By doing so, you'll never miss out on the latest uploads, ensuring you're always at the forefront of knowledge and entertainment. Remember to hit the notification bell, so you're promptly notified whenever we release a new video. Thanks for watching.